So I'm gonna be out here working on my lathe, trying to get it ready to play with. So problem is previous owner has got it on this, I don't know, it just needs a lot of work. I'm probably just gonna end up making a wood lay or a metal table for it. I just want to keep everything. I really like this forward and reverse switch. I like his setup on this here. He's got his motor mounted on a plate, and the plate's adjustable, so he can tighten, take the tension in and out, so he can switch out his belts. And he's got 2 speeds here, 4 speeds here, with your gear ratios in the back. But this little bench is it's pretty flimsy. Needs to be a little bit better, beefier. I mean, part of the reason it doesn't have any cross members, but that one piece of wood, and that didn't even come on it. So what I'm gonna do is, I got some 2x8s. I'm gonna lay across here and mark up underneath these holes, and then drill the boards out and put bolts through. And I think with doing that, and then I might put a couple cross members up in here. That'll do for now, but as soon as I get caught up on all my endeavors, projects and stuff, definitely gonna make a nice meaty metal bench for this thing to sit on. Let's get to it.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
So it started it up a little bit. My next endeavor would be at the back side, put a cut off I don't know, 2x4 or something I got laying around, and do a cross member in the back and drill it on both ends, and that'll really stiffen it up. But it is not as wobbly as it was. Just needs a cross member to be good. Then we can get to playing. What are we gonna make? Ooh. Got some test things here I'm gonna chop up first. Lathe up. Piece of bench. Dowel rod. This here's off my Jeep Commander. It's the inner tie rod. Probably gonna whack it off, and then I might see if I can't lathe this open and get the ball out. And then I'll probably just machine the shit out of it. Might turn it into a hole punch. Hole punch or something. I'm gonna throw it away.